Hey guys, this is how you're going to merge accounts in QuickBooks Online. So first is you're going to log into QuickBooks Online and then you're going to go to settings by clicking on the settings or the gear icon at the top of your screen. And then from here, you're going to select chart of accounts under your company and then find the account that you no longer want to use and click edit. So for example, I don't want to use accounts receivable anymore. So I'm going to click on this drop down arrow and then I'm going to click on edit. Now from here, I'm going to copy the name and then I'm going to make sure that I remember the details like account type and detail type. So make sure that you remember that for the account that we want to keep. So we're going to hit on save and then we're going to edit now the account that we want to merge into the other one. So for example, I want to merge uncategorized expenses to this account. So I'm going to click on this drop down icon again and then I'm going to click on edit. And then from here, I'm just going to paste the account name that we have copied earlier, and then I'm going to change the account type to what I remembered, which has the same details as the account receivable earlier. Now make sure that you change the detail type as well, and then we're going to hit on save. Now from here, QuickBooks is going to ask us if we want to merge two accounts because we already have an account with that name. So if it asks you that, just click on yes, merge accounts, and then QuickBooks will combine all transactions into the surviving account. And that's it. That is how you're going to merge accounts on QuickBooks Online. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.